Dr. Kornbluth,
Yes.
at MIT, does calling for the genocide of blacks violate MIT's code of conduct or rules regarding bullying and harassment? Yes or no?
If targeted at individuals, not making public statements.
Yes or no? Calling for the genocide of blacks?
That would be investigated as harassment if pervasive and severe.
Ms. McGill, at Penn, does calling for the genocide of trans violate Penn's rules or code of conduct? Yes or no?
If the speech turns into conduct, it can be harassment, yes.
I am asking specifically calling for the genocide of trans. Does that constitute bullying or harassment?
If it is directed and severe or pervasive, it is harassment.
So the answer is yes.
It is a context-dependent decision, Congresswoman.
It's a context-dependent decision. That's your testimony today, calling for the genocide of trans is depending upon on the context. That is not bullying or harassment. This is the easiest question to answer yes, Ms. McGill. So is your testimony that you will not answer yes?
If it if the
yes
speech
or
becomes
no?
if the speech becomes conduct, it can be harassment. Yes.
Conduct meaning committing the act of genocide? And Dr. Gay, at Harvard, does calling for the genocide of Mexicans violate Harvard's rules of bullying and harassment? Yes or no?
It can be, depending on the context.